It is our mission to bring you facts, not fear, and we want to break down the COVID-19 cases to give you context of how the virus is spreading in our communities here in Georgia. So the state reported a sharp increase in cases today, but a significant drop in deaths. So these are the latest numbers here. There are now just over 3,900 new cases statewide, of nearly 700 cases over yesterday. But 29 new deaths, which is lower than the 79 deaths that were reported yesterday. And there are 3,200 COVID patients hospitalized statewide. The trend shown right here by the orange line compared to the number of new cases.